Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna quickly get into this easy holiday look, literally the most simple look I've ever done on my channel. So let's get started. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started on my hair. I was gonna curl it, but I decided I didn't want to do that. I just want to wear it straight because I haven't worn my hair straight in a little while. So this hair did have curls in it, and these curls stay a pretty good amount of time. Like, you can still see the curl in the hair. I curled this hair probably about a couple weeks ago, so this hair does hold a good curl. But I'm gonna show you guys quickly the products that I use to straighten my hair. I use the, let me go by what I use first. I use the Silk Therapy Light. This is their serum or oil, whatever you want to call it. I put that all over my hair first, and then for each section I use the Professional Sebastian Shaper Dry Brushable Styling Hairspray with Control, okay? And it looks like this. And I got both of mine from like TJ Maxx and Marshall's, stores like that, because it's always cheaper there. I think I paid $12.99 for this, and normally it's like $20 something. And I paid $7.99 for this from Marshall's, and normally it's like, how much was it when I saw it at like the beauty spot store? I think it was like $15, $20 or something like that. So always go to TJ Maxx and Marshalls and stuff like that to see if you can find products. But let me put my oil on first. I don't use a whole lot, but I use enough. So I always count to 3. 1, 2, 3. I put it on all my hair. Your hair always looks like super shiny, super like, you know, silky and shiny. I love shiny hair. It doesn't look as realistic as, like, you know, my real hair. What is this, lint? It doesn't look as realistic as like my real hair, but who cares? It's a wig. It's not supposed to look real. If I wanted it to look real, I would wear like 16-inch hair or something like that. But no, this is 24 inches. Who is calling me, y'all? Okay, so the flat iron that I use is the, what's this called? Fahrenheit. This is the Fahrenheit hair care system flat iron, and I got this from TJ Maxx, but it's really good. I've had it for years now. So I'm gonna take my clip and I'm gonna section off some hair and then clip it back, basically to separate it. And then I comb it through. I just take my hairspray. I spray under and on top just to make sure it gets all those strands. Pull. Yeah, so I do that, and then I take my comb and I place it under. Take my flat iron. That's how I straighten it. Just like that. And then if it's not as straight as you want it, you can always go through with another pass, or however many passes you want, because it's not your real hair, so you can make it, you can burn it out if you want. No, I'm being dramatic, but you know, you don't have to be as careful with like how many times you flat iron it, because it's not your real hair. So that's pretty much what it looks like right after, you know, 2 passes or whatever. So I'm just gonna continue to do the rest of my head, but I'm just gonna speed it up. Okay, you guys, so I am just going to go ahead and straighten all of my hair. I pretty much did it in big pieces because I didn't feel like sitting here all day. This was supposed to be something that I did really quick, because a lot of you guys don't have 3 and 4 hours to sit down and really do your hair and really do your makeup. So I wanted to do something I could, like, you know, finesse real quick and get it done really fast. So I literally spent like maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20 on trying to straighten my hair. And yeah, I got it as straight as I could for the time being, and then I got to my makeup. But really quickly, I want to let you guys know that I did my face makeup prior to starting the video, because I literally thought of the idea of filming this video and I had already started on my face. So yeah, that's why. But I already have a foundation routine on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box, because I be getting tongue-tied when I be talking, but I will leave the link in the description box on my foundation routine, so you can just go copy that and then do the rest of the look that I showed you guys on this video. So I'm just gonna let you guys get back to watching this video without hearing my mouth. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute, or I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so now for the makeup portion. As you can see, I did my base, as in I did my brows, I did my foundation, highlight, contour. I know my face looks darker today than it normally does because I used a darker foundation than I normally do, but it's fine because I actually look, you know, pretty tan, so I'm okay with it. So in order to achieve this really simple, really easy, because the person who asked me to do this video, she's pregnant, and she said she could be going into labor at any moment. Okay, so I basically wanted to focus on the eyes and the lips, because the face is like you can kind of do whatever you want. Okay, everybody doesn't do the same face routine. So some people don't wear foundation, some people don't want to highlight and contour, so some people don't wear lashes, some people just wear mascara, right? But I kind of want to show you guys how to do something that, you know, you can easily do. Like anybody can do this look. No super hard eyeshadow to the point where like you literally have to sit there and look at the screen and be like, okay, she did that, okay, and then she did that. Like that's not what we're trying to do today. Okay, so I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to simply show you guys what I'm doing. So because this look is going to be really simple and easy, I'm just taking a skin tone or a really nice transition shade, something that's really close to my skin complexion, and I'm placing that directly into the transition area as well as the crease. So because I didn't want this look to be super basic, I still want it to be holiday themed or holiday appropriate. I decided to take this shimmer shade on a flat brush and just place it directly onto my lids. I didn't do a cut crease with any concealer, no, none of that, because this look is going to be really simple, really easy, really quick. Like, you guys, you can do this eyeshadow in 2 minutes. Like, that's how effortless I wanted this look to be, but it's still cute, okay? Now, of course, I wanted to add some shadow on my lower lash line just to make sure, you know, everything is all evened out. Because if you wear eyeshadow on the top, you probably should put a little bit on the bottom too, because you don't want it to look like you have did your makeup, okay? So I just added a little bit on my lower lash line. And now I'm doing some liner, you guys. So when I was doing my liner, I was like, okay, I want to do the inner corner wing too, but I kind of didn't like it. So you guys aren't going to see me do the liner that you're going to see in the next clip. You're going to basically, you see this? You see I have the inner corner liner too. I skipped that part because in the end I did not like it. And I ended up covering it up. So that's why I didn't show you guys. But just some simple wing liner, throwing some lashes, and then inner corner highlight, okay? So don't hate me because I didn't show y'all the inner corner liner. Is because I ended up not wanting that to be seen, period. Okay, I just did not like it. It didn't look holiday festive to me, like, you know, a little glam, you know? Okay, so now we're just gonna add some mascara to make our lashes blend, and at the bottom, of course, and then we're gonna finish up the rest of our face, okay? Because these next few steps is what really will make your look come together if you're in a rush and you just want to like a quick glam look, okay? So the first thing is blush. Blush transforms your face, period. Like, anybody who says they don't use blush, I just really be looking at them like, are you dumb? No, I'm just playing, but I don't understand why people don't like blush. Like, what is it? It's not too overpowering. It doesn't make you look fake or your cheeks look like they got big old red dots on them, you know what I mean? Just something that's really natural, really pretty. And then I'm taking a highlighter and I'm just gonna highlight my cheekbones, and then the bridge of my nose and all that stuff, eyebrow bone, cupid's bow, all that stuff, y'all know, the regular. Okay guys, so you saw that I covered up the inner corner liner with some highlighter, but now I'm moving on to the lips. I'm taking this black brown lip liner by Ruby Kisses, and I'm just lining my lips. Y'all, I really don't care for this color. It looks really ashy, but I fixed it. I'm going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills matte liquid lipstick. I'm not sure the shade, but of course it'll be in the description box. And then I'm gonna go over that with Ruby Kisses lip liner in the shade Cappuccino, and then I'm going over that with some MAC lip gloss. I'm not sure the shade of it either, but I've used it 1,000 times, but it will be in the description box as well. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my hair, and then that is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's really easy for you. Let me know if you decide to recreate this look for the holidays or any other day, because yeah, I know that you guys actually liked it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.